Hello everyone. Are you wondering what thirst trap means? Let's explore. A thirst trap is a provocative photo or post shared on social media with the intent of attracting attention, compliments, or admiration, often from a romantic or sexual perspective. The term thirst refers to a strong desire or need, typically for validation or attraction, and a thirst trap is designed to satisfy that by eliciting responses from viewers. These posts are usually carefully crafted to show off one's best features, whether it's physical appearance, style, or confidence, with the underlying goal of drawing people in. Thirst traps can be playful, flirty, or even empowering, depending on how they are used and perceived. In essence, a thirst trap is about seeking attention and admiration through visually appealing content, often with a hint of flirtation or allure. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.